My name is Atul Pal and you are watching Computer Engineering. So today we will compare the export time difference between MacBook Pro 2020 with M1 chip versus MacBook Air 2017 with the i3s. So here you can see I started from the cold boot at the same time both the devices, and you can see here I have used both the same password on the both the machine. So MacBook Pro booted early. Just want to clarify that it is having a 128 GB storage in Air versus 256 GB storage in Pro, and having the same RAM and same OS BigSur updated one. So you can see here it took more time as compared to Pro. Okay, so here this is a glimpse. You can pause it for a while and you can see that I just mentioned the main spec 2.819 GB and resolution. You can pause it for a while and see the which export quality I used for exporting a video, and you can see here in the timelining or estimated time which either Apple MacBook Pro or a MacBook Air will take to export the video with that spec I selected. 4K, high quality, high and better quality I selected. So where you can see that when you were doing export, there is a next when you just try to export the video, you can click the on the next circle. Okay, and it will show you estimated time. Okay, depend on the CPU, how CPU performing and how SSD are both are connecting to export the video and how both are syncing. Okay, so depend on that, but believe me, it is not true. It will take 9 minutes showing or 7 minutes showing, but it will not do in that way, because those specs are continuously changing depend on the timing and depend on the sync up between the devices. CPU, storage and RAM, all those are in sync up. Okay, so here you can see actually I was when I was doing exporting, and there was a already fan started, and that fan sound was coming up to the 65 minute or more than that, because I was doing exporting at that time. Okay, so here you can see in the MacBook Pro, and as you compare the MacBook Air. So those people who are looking for the upgrade of the MacBook Air, they can compare the timing difference between the exporting if they are doing the exporting from their MacBook Air, and if they have already MacBook Air, then definitely they know that how much sound is coming up from the device when you are going to export. Okay, so here are the results at the end. You can pause it for a while and see how much time, around 65 minutes from MacBook Air versus Pro 20 minutes, around 3 time difference which Apple claimed.